What's up guys, welcome to Sis vs Bro story review. Today we are gonna be playing with Hagrid's hot Lego set. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. But anyways, let's get right into the video. Today is a normal day for Hagrid. Every day in the morning he gets his hot cocoa. Now he's gonna go get see if there was a rat in his trap, so he can feed his dragon and owl. Looks like he did catch a rat. Now he's gonna catch it and feed it to his dragon. Now he's gonna go back home. Now he's gonna open the secret passage so he can feed the rat to the dragon. Here's the dragon. Here's the dragon. Now he's gonna feed it the rat. Now Hagrid is gonna go catch a spider for the owl. Oh look, there's a spider over there. But how is Hagrid gonna catch it? Aha. He's gonna use the axe. There. Yes, Hagrid catch the spider. Now he's gonna go feed it to the owl. The owl is finished with his food. Now Hagrid is now gonna eat his owl. What? Yes, I really like the owl. It tastes really good. Hagrid, are you crazy? That's why I keep this fire, so I can burn my owl. Hagrid, you can't do that. That's your pet. It's mine, not yours. Okay. Oh, are you sure, Hagrid? Oh, yes, I do this every single day. Wait, then where do you get all of these owls? I don't know. Shit! Ow! Everybody close your eyes. Ah, that was a very good owl. Really tasty as well. Don't do that ever again. Okay. Let me drink some water for that meal. Now what are you gonna do? I'm gonna go out to chop some wood. Okay. Okay, how long are you gonna be out? 2 days. What? Okay then, since Hagrid left, I'm gonna end the video there, sadly. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. But anyways, I'll see you I'll see you in another video. Bye.